Welcome to my channel, Torque Mythz. Today we're diving into one of the fastest, most futuristic and jaw-dropping electric supercars the world has ever seen. The 2026 Tesla Roadster in a sleek, midnight black finish. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more car reviews, performance insights, and full cinematic visuals. Let's get started. Today, we are not talking about a car that's already here. We are talking about something that still lives in the shadows, a machine so rare, so anticipated, that even the roads are waiting for it. It hasn't touched the asphalt yet. It hasn't unleashed its fury yet, but when it does, in 2026, it will change the definition of speed, style, and technology forever. This is not a rumor. This is not wishful thinking. This is Elon Musk's next big statement to the world. A machine born from the idea that fast could be faster, and that beautiful could be breathtaking. Its name is Tesla Roadster. But don't think of it as just a sports car, because sports cars, they already exist. This is something else, a halo car, a statement, a declaration that electric power isn't just the future, it's the ultimate performance weapon. You see, in the EV world, we've seen dozens of launches, some good, some forgettable, but the Roadster, it sits apart. It's not built for the average driver, it's built for the person who wants to own something so rare, so extreme that it almost feels forbidden. Let's talk about what you see first. The exterior. Imagine metal poured like liquid into the perfect shape. Every curve, every shadow, designed to slice through the wind like a blade. From the front, razor-thin LED eyes stare ahead, sharp, focused, predatory. The hood is long and sculpted, the lines pulling your vision toward the rear, where a bold diffuser promises nothing but raw performance. Carbon fiber accents gleam in the sunlight, not just for beauty, but to shave away every unnecessary gram of weight. The side profile is impossibly clean, no wasted shapes, no awkward angles. In the daylight, the paint dances, almost alive, and at night it becomes something darker, more dangerous, as if it's waiting to strike the moment you turn the key, or in this case, press the start. This is a car that doesn't just look fast, it feels fast. Even when standing still, park it and people will swear it's moving. Now, step inside, and everything changes. The outside might shout speed, but the inside whispers control. It's minimalistic, futuristic, almost like stepping into a spacecraft. There's no clutter, no unnecessary buttons, just one large central touchscreen, your command center, and then the steering wheel. Not a traditional circle, but a Tesla yoke. Half at the top, half at the bottom. Futuristic, aggressive, unlike anything in its class. When you grip it, it doesn't feel like you're just driving. It feels like you're piloting. The seats wrap around you in premium black leather. The cabin glows with subtle ambient lighting. It's not loud in design, but the silence speaks volumes. It's the kind of interior that clears your mind and sharpens your focus. Where other sports cars overwhelm you with dials, switches, and noise, this one gives you space to think, to feel, to connect with the machine. But all of this beauty would mean nothing without the beast hiding underneath. And here's where the Roadster becomes a legend. This is a fully electric car. But forget every stereotype you've ever heard about electric being slow. This machine can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Think about that. Less than 2 seconds. That's faster than a fighter jet leaves the runway. The top speed, over 250 miles per hour. That makes it one of the fastest production cars ever made. And it does it without a single drop of fuel. Press the accelerator, and there's no roar. No delay, just silence, and an instant, overwhelming surge forward. The torque hits immediately, like a wave of invisible force pushing you back into your seat. It's speed without sound. power without pollution. In the time it takes you to blink twice. This car is already at highway speed. It's not just quick, it's frightening in the best possible way. And yet, as of now, the real thing remains behind closed doors. We've seen the photos, we've seen the prototypes, but the final form, that's still a secret. 2026 isn't far away. But for car enthusiasts, the wait feels like a lifetime. When that day comes, it won't just be a car launch. It will be an event. The kind of moment that makes headlines worldwide. The kind of reveal where the world stops scrolling and starts watching. And when the first Tesla Roadster rolls off the line, only a handful of people will be lucky enough to own one. The rest of us will watch, will dream, and maybe, just maybe, we'll start planning how to make it ours. So I'll ask you, if you had the chance, would you take the wheel of the fastest production car ever made? Would you dare to control something this powerful? Because this isn't just a car. It's a challenge, a statement, a glimpse into what's coming next. And here's the thing. We're just getting started. If you want to see more stories like this, cars that break the rules before they even arrive, then stay here, subscribe, join the journey. Because on this channel, we don't just review cars, we tell the stories of legends before they hit the road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and drop a comment below. What do you want us to review next? The Hellcat, the Charger, EV, or something completely wild? Don't forget to subscribe to Torque Mythz for more high-octane content, cinematic visuals, and honest car reviews. Until next time, stay fast, stay loud.